I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and at Impress we deal with the latest cutting edge technology, your i9 processors, your GTX 1080 Ti's, all the latest bells and whistles. But every now and then we get some classics, like this Apple Mac iiC. This particular unit came out around about 1984, and it had the 5¼ inch single-sided floppy disk that was 180K. Later on they introduced the double-sided, which is 360K. It had 128 kilobytes of RAM, and you could play your games on it. Even had a fancy joystick over here, and this unit used to sell for around about $1,300. So because customers still wanted to keep it going, still wanted to play some of those old games. So whether you've got the latest cutting edge technology, or you've got an Apple Mac iiC, or this compact over here, which is what they used to call a luggable, and this unit here was actually a laptop. So it was portable, had the handles on the side, and two 5¼ inch discs with a very small green screen. So again, whether you want the latest technology or you've got your old equipment that you want to keep running, come on into Impress Computers and we'll get you fixed up.